The high engine temperature stop safely warning in your Ford Focus is a critical alert that demands immediate attention. This warning system is designed to protect your engine from catastrophic damage. This warning is most commonly seen in Ford Focus models from 2012 to 2018. The system activates when specific temperature and pressure thresholds are exceeded to prevent engine damage. Understanding your engine's cooling system components is crucial. The main components include the radiator, water pump, thermostat, and various sensors that monitor temperature and pressure. The primary causes of this warning break down into four main categories. Coolant system failures account for 60% of cases, making them the most common cause of overheating issues. Thermostat malfunctions represent 25% of overheating cases. A faulty thermostat can stick closed, preventing coolant circulation, or stick open, preventing proper engine warm-up. Water pump failures account for 10% of cases, while sensor issues make up the remaining 5%. A failed water pump cannot circulate coolant effectively, leading to rapid overheating. When this warning appears, your immediate response is critical. Pull over safely as soon as possible, turn off the engine immediately, and wait at least 30 minutes for the engine to cool before checking coolant levels or inspecting for leaks. When facing a high engine temperature warning, systematic troubleshooting is essential. We'll cover diagnostic steps, modern testing methods, and prevention strategies to keep your Ford Focus running safely. Diagnosing the root cause involves several systematic steps. The first and most important step is a thorough visual inspection of the cooling system components. Begin your visual inspection by checking for obvious leaks, damaged hoses, and low coolant levels. Look for puddles under the vehicle and inspect all visible hoses for cracks or bulges. Modern Ford service centers use advanced diagnostic equipment, including real-time coolant temperature monitoring, pressure testing of the cooling system, electronic thermostat testing, and comprehensive sensor validation. Preventive maintenance is crucial for avoiding overheating issues. Follow this schedule. Inspect the cooling system every 30,000 miles, flush and fill the coolant every 60,000 miles, and replace the thermostat every 100,000 miles. Watch for these warning signs that indicate potential cooling system problems. Gradual temperature gauge increases, a sweet coolant smell in the cabin, white exhaust smoke, coolant puddles under the vehicle, or unusual engine noises. Addressing cooling system issues promptly can prevent more significant damage and costly repairs. Regular maintenance, early detection of warning signs, and proper diagnostic procedures are your best defense against engine overheating in your Ford Focus.